What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name's Nathan Hartley, and today I want to share with you my opinion of what's going on in the market today. There's three main points that I want to cover in today's video. I want to cover the market's value and what I think that value is and where I think it's going. I want to cover some agreeable statements by some famous CEOs and find out what they have to say about today's market. And I want to let you guys know what I'm currently doing with my portfolio and what I plan on doing in the future. Let's get started with the video. My current thoughts about today's current market value is I think it is way overpriced. I really believe that the market hitting 25,000 points or nearly 25,000 points is dramatically overpriced. There is no way the market is valued at what it was valued back in June of 2019. I really don't think our economy has really gotten back to that point. If you ask me, our government printing nearly $30,000 is just not going to fix the problem. I think that there's maybe two ways out of this whole situation. Either the economy has to fall or they're going to try to print their way out of it, and I really don't think that this correction is going to be fixed with them just printing more money. The unemployment being almost 30 million people is a reflection of where our economy is going to be. I think it's going to definitely have to take a turn, and I really want to show you guys what I've done to prepare for this turn. Some of those agreeable statements actually came from Elon Musk. This is a CEO that has been very controversial, but has been very influential in many people's lives. He's a CEO of SpaceX, Boring, and Tesla. And this is what he said. Saying that Tesla is overpriced is definitely not in the best interest of shareholders, but I believe it's a direct comparison to where companies are compared to their value. I think that most CEOs aren't as honest as Elon Musk and won't tell you if they're overpriced. That was one of the things that reassured me in my mind that the decisions that I decided to take, which I'll tell you in a minute, were kind of along the right route. This is where I was at in my current portfolio, and I have seen almost a drop of over $5,000 in the past day. That is a huge drop if you ask me. On April 29th, I felt the market was way too overvalued. I took the positions in my portfolio that I had made at least 50% on that were very recent into my portfolio, and I sold them. Now, I didn't sell the stocks like Tesla, like Wynn, and like Square. I actually kept those just because I really see the long game. But any stocks like Carnival Cruise Lines or any of my more short-term stocks, I definitely did sell. I took my profits as long as they were 50% or more, and I really settled my cash position down because I really think the stock market is going to take its nosedive. That's my personal opinion. I'm just doing what my gut tells me, and the research I've done and the kind of sentiment you can feel in the market right now is really a defining factor. From CEOs to what's going on, I really think that it's been pumped by big corporations, and I think it's being pumped by big investment funds as well. I really hope this has helped you guys a lot. I really want to be transparent with you guys. I want you to go into today's economy with open eyes and know that, in my opinion, I think it's extremely overvalued, and as much as I want to be in the market, I'll be in there with my long positions, but for my short positions, I'm going to pull those out and I'm going to look to reinvest that money at a better price. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so I want you guys to do your own due diligence and use everyone on YouTube for research. Just verify your research. If you guys liked the video, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought. See you guys. And once again, invest safely.